Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a quick clean in my family room. I'm also going to be featuring my formal living room slash office, so make sure you stay to the end of the video because I will be featuring that area of my home. But right now I am in my family room. I'm going to be switching out the pillows to give it a more spring summer feel. I'm also going to be styling my coffee table just to give it a little refresh. I'm not going to do any deep cleaning. I'm just going to be switching out some things and adding some things. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, at the end I will be featuring my formal living room slash office because I do use it as a office. We really don't have a need for a formal living room, so it's serving the purpose as our home office. Right here you see me, I'm going to be folding up some clothes. I got this cute dress from Ross the other day, guys. I didn't feature it in my haul. If you haven't seen that haul, please make sure you watch that video after this one because this is one of the dresses that I got. I wanted to wear this dress, so that's why I had it in the washer, but it is so cute. I bought it to wear to work. So right here I'm just giving showing you a quick look at me folding some clothes, and I'm trying to get them folded up so I can finish cleaning and decorating my living room area. Also, I will be unboxing some Glow Collaborative. I had this stuff for like 3 weeks. I know it's going on 3 weeks, and I just didn't get around to videoing it, so I'm going to throw it in at the end of this video. And if you would like to subscribe to Glow Collaborative, I will leave a link in the description box to Glow Collaborative. They will they always have some promotional thing going on, so I know you would get something and I also will get something. So I'm going to leave that link down below. So without further ado, let's just proceed to jump on into the video.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the I met you in the it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody.
Right here, I'm styling my coffee table using items that I already had in my home and items that I recently purchased. If you want to see all of the items that I got, make sure you visit the hauls. I did 2 different hauls. I used a candle in that candle holder, but I think I'm going to switch it out and place some flowers inside. You guys comment down below and let me know which style do you like best. Do you like it with the candle, or do you like it with the flowers that I just put inside right here? My favorite style is the one with the flowers, and I just love how it came out. I'm going to quickly switch out the flower pot with this one that I got from the Dollar General. It was only $6.50. It's plastic, but I really do like the way it's styled. It's, you know, like an ivory color, and they have specks of gold in it. So I'm just switching it out because I feel like it's giving my living room more of a spring look. So I'm just switching out the flower pots really quickly. Later on, I might repot it, but for now, I'm just going to sit it down inside of the pot. And later on, I'm also going to try to find a better stand for it. But right now, I'm just going to use these because I'm trying to hide those cords. If you guys have an idea of how I can hide those cords, let me know. For right now, I'm going to try to camouflage it a little bit with this plant here. And oh yeah, I got this plant from Walmart. So everything has been dust cleaned, vacuumed, shined, and I'm just giving you guys a quick overview of how everything came out. I am featuring my sofa here, well, my sectional, and giving you a look at how I place the pillows that I got from Home Goods. I think I might be needing one more pillow to go on this sectional, and I also added a throw. I might need another pillow right there where those two light green pillows are, but I incorporated the pillows that I got from Home Goods, and I really like how they came out. And here I'm just showing you my fireplace. Didn't do too much, just used the same decor that I had. I did take out that garland, but I left the little houses and I placed a vase with some flowers. This is the other side of my family room, guys. And I'm thinking about getting rid of that chair, maybe placing it in my office, I'm not sure. So yeah, I like how everything came out nice and clean and organized. I'm really loving my coffee table decor. So now we are in my formal / office. I am working on this office, guys. This is just a little love seat that we have in here. Didn't want to put too much. I just, it's not that big of a space, so I didn't want to have a lot of buggy furniture in there. Like I said, it is used for my office, and that is one of the decor pieces that I featured in my haul. And of course, we always have cords, and I got to figure out what to do with that. This is just a frame of the first dollar that we ever made with our business. And this is a desk that me and my husband got from a thrift store. I wanted to get rid of it, but for some reason, he is in love with this desk, guys. And it is a good desk. It's made well. It does, it has a lot of wear and tear on it, but I love it. We use chalk paint and we kind of sanded a little bit, and I guess we're gonna keep it. Right here is just our file cabinet and a little chair that we have in here. So this area is still a work in progress. And as you see on the wall there, I got that canvas that I got from Burlington, half off. It was only $19. So I'm just giving you a quick overview of how this area looks. And like I said, we are still working on it. But right now, I do like what's going on with it right now. This is a subscription from Glow Collaborative. I had it for like 3 weeks now, guys. And I always share my products with you guys. So we're going to quickly unbox this subscription of Glow Collaborative. I do have a link in the description box if you want to subscribe. In this subscription, I should have gotten some hand sanitizer. I do get most of my cleaning products from Glow. So let's just open it up and see what came in this subscription. I had it so long, I can't even remember what I ordered. I'm about to get another order sent out. And they always package everything really well. So right off the top, I got some hand sanitizer. I don't know why I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. This is just 2 fluid ounces. So I'll probably keep this in one of my vehicles or in my purse. And this is the blood orange scent. Let me see how it smells. It has a nice citrus smell to it, guys. So I got that. And then I got this Hello toothbrush. This is the charcoal infused tapered bristles. I'm going to give that a try. And then the next item is rose scent. And I actually got these in a set. So I have the multi-surface cleaner and the dish soap. And then I got some hand soap. So I got the whole set of that, and I had never tried that scent before. Oh, and I also got the room refresher. I really love their room refresher. My husband doesn't like it too much, but I like it. It is kind of strong, so really all you need is one pump. A little goes a long way. So I got that whole set. And then I got some more dish soap cut grass. I really like that scent. I think this is actually a new scent, guys. The next item is some hand sanitizer. This is from Soapbox. And so I actually got 2 hand sanitizer. Like I said, I'll probably use this one in my car, on my purse, and I'll just keep this one in the home. And the very last item is some disinfectant wipes. You get 35 in a pack. So I got those. That was the very last item, guys. That's all I got in this shipment. I am due a new shipment, and I will be sharing that with you guys. I won't be waiting 2 or 3 weeks to share with you. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.